wave catching group.
Enjoy your walk on Saturday?
Yes, fabulous.
Look very nice.
Very nice, yeah. Waterfall, lovely experience. Yeah. It literally like remove the tiredness after the 10 miles.
An energy
Yeah, boost energy, yeah.
I don't like the slippery rocks.
Yeah.
Slippery rocks, yeah.
The algae on them.
But it wasn't like a crazy slippery, like a little bit.
Yeah.
But just slow, very slow. If you walk inside, yeah.
Yeah.
But okay, lovely.
It did look very
Lovely,
nice.
yeah.
So I swim only 3
I swam in the tiny cave and
Yeah.
a smaller waterfall, but alright.
Right.
Yeah. It was easier to enter.
Yeah.
Easier to enter.
Have you ever swum the waterfall before?
Yes, I was. Whoa! Yes! Yes. Yes, I was a little bit bigger in Thailand.
All right.
Yes, nice.
I bet
Lovely.
that was warm in Thailand.
Warm, yeah.
Yeah.
Fall
Bali.
in Bali and in Crimea as well.
Yeah.
Crimea, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, nice.
And England has been Cornwall.
In Cornwall as well, yeah.
All right. Yeah.
And you? Have you tried?
No.
No.
Actually, a long time ago when I was a kid.
Yes.
I did once when I was a kid.
Yeah,
Not,
yeah.
You know, not
Not
like
the
in
adult,
this-
yeah.
not as an adult,
Okay.
no.
But самое такое комфортное, что ли, дойти, это в Корнуолле было. А, я еще в Уэльсе была.
Oh.
Woohoo!
All right. Yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah. Sandra saw a film of you were in the caves.
Yeah, wonderful.
Where were you?
It was in High Force waterfall area.
Oh, High Force.
And it was the, how to call it, Duncan Cave or something like this.
Alright.
Yeah, really nice.
Sure.
Not the waterfall is not like extremely big, so it won't. It is not trying to kill you. But you still feel the heaviness of the water when it fell from like 5 meters. Yeah, it was lovely. I do recommend. After this, we had a long walk, like 10 miles, and it literally washed away the tiredness of the walk. Really, really nice. There's something magical, literally, in this waterfall business. Yeah.
Is it just the day that you went there?
Just one day, yes. Just one day walk and the waterfall. Yes. Fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah, we wondered where you were.
Not far, only 1 hour drive from here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Seen it. I've never been in. I've never been in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Worth try. Worth to try. Excellent.